everyone, I'm Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a 2-day itinerary for Lincoln Park, one of the most iconic neighborhoods in Chicago. This itinerary is perfect for spring or summer days in Chicago because we are going to take full advantage of the sunshine and good weather, and we are going to do a lot of walking to explore the neighborhood and really get a good feel for it. This itinerary is building off of the 1-day itinerary I did for downtown Chicago. I will link that video above. And just like with that video, it goes without saying that you can take what you want from my recommendations. You can change things up and make it your own. I wanted to recommend some of my favorite things to do in Lincoln Park, and while my suggestions might not work for everyone, I hope you're able to take away some fun ideas on how to spend your visit in Lincoln Park. Let's go! Lincoln Park is a quintessential Chicago neighborhood. From its beautiful park spaces, lakefront trail and beach, amazing shopping, beautiful homes, and great food scene. Easily accessible from downtown, Lincoln Park is accessible by both bus and the L by way of the purple, brown, and red lines. Our first stop of the day is Printers Row Coffee Company for a caffeine fix. Printers Row Coffee is a local, small batch coffee roaster, and their drinks are always delicious. I usually get either an oat milk latte, which is what I got today, or one of their matcha drinks, as they use ceremonial grade matcha. While they are takeout only right now, you can take a look at their beautiful minimal space while you place your order. From there, head to Dash of Salt and Pepper Diner for breakfast. You can't go wrong with any of their breakfast options, as pictured here, and it has the cutest diner feel. Opened by a pair of best friends, this is the perfect place to appreciate Chicago pride while visiting the city. After breakfast, take a quick walk over to Oz Park, a Lincoln Park staple. This beautiful park was named in honor of Chicago reporter L. Frank Baum, who authored The Wizard of Oz, and it features statues of Dorothy and Toto, the Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the Cowardly Lion. There's plenty of space to relax, including a garden called the Emerald Garden and a playground called Dorothy's Playlot, making this a great stop if you're traveling with children. From there, walk over to a local favorite, Alice in Wonder. Known for their pretty fun things, they sell predominantly women's clothing. I love their Chicago-themed items, but it's also a great spot to pick up cute Chicago souvenirs from mugs to pins to keychains. After all that walking, it's time for a lunch break. Enjoy the beautiful weather out on Parsons' spacious patio. Known for their chicken and fish, plus their famous Negroni slushie, this is the perfect place to stop for some delicious food and drinks. Following lunch, I'd recommend spending some time in the park. Lincoln Park is huge and contains plenty of green space to enjoy, plus sights to see such as the Lincoln Park Conservatory and Botanical Gardens and the Lincoln Park Zoo. Please note that the parking around this area can be limited, so it's best to either walk, Uber, or take the bus. After an afternoon in the park, it's time to make a decision on dinner, and I have 2 recommendations for you. If you're in the mood for classic Italian food, I'd recommend Riccardo Trattoria, a top-rated Italian restaurant nestled in a cozy brownstone. This is a favorite among locals and a short walk from the park area. If Japanese food sounds more exciting, I suggest trying Umai, one of my favorite Japanese restaurants in the city. Not only is their sushi and ramen amazing, but their katsu kare is life-changing. I had this Japanese curry in Tokyo, and whenever I have this at Umai, I am immediately transported back to Japan. To finish off the night, grab some drinks at King of Cups, a craft cocktail lounge. With a theme of dark royalty, this place has the coolest atmosphere and the most creative drinks. This is the perfect place to end your night. To start your second day in Lincoln Park, head to the Bakeler's Coffee House for breakfast and coffee. They have delicious espresso drinks, and their house-made bagels and pastries are so good. My personal favorites are their sea salt or everything bagel with garlic chive cream cheese and their chocolate croissants, but all of their food options are great. Once you leave the Bageler, head left and you'll see the Biograph Theater, made famous as the movie theater where notorious gangster John Dillinger was killed by FBI agents in 1934. Now there is some history there. There is now a John Dillinger mural in the alley next to the theater. Chicago has an extensive crime history, and there are a few different tours you can take to get the history of organized crime in Chicago. It's time to explore more nature of Lincoln Park. Now we'll head to the Lakefront Trail off of Fullerton, where you'll take in beautiful views of the skyline and Lake Michigan. To get to the Lakefront Trail, I would suggest parking and walking, or taking an Uber or bus to the park and walking from there. Walk south on the Lakefront Trail to reach North Avenue Beach, which has incredible views all around. Once you've enjoyed some beach and trail time, head to Home Slice to grab some lunch. Home Slice is known for their creative pizzas and delicious appetizers, drinks, and desserts. The restaurant space itself is really fun and laid back with lots of outdoor and open air eating spaces, so it's the perfect place to have lunch on a nice day. After lunch, I'd recommend heading to Armitage Avenue to do a little shopping. There are a ton of great local and chain stores to check out in this area, but to be honest, I love this area for the architecture. The buildings and homes are so beautiful, it's just a great area to walk around and see what unique things the shops have to offer. To end your second day in Lincoln Park, I have 2 more dinner suggestions. If you're looking for a trendy spot with a truly Instagrammable interior, I'd recommend Summer House Santa Monica. The inside of this restaurant is so beautiful and airy, you really feel like you've been transported to a chic oceanside restaurant in California. The food here is good, but not life-changing, to be honest. You are definitely here for the atmosphere. Though I will say, their cookies are truly phenomenal, so you need to stop by their little bakery in the front before you leave. The other dinner recommendation is Cedar Palace, a Mediterranean restaurant serving the most delicious food. This place is a favorite among locals. You can see their high ratings on Google, and for good reason. Just look at these dishes. I hope this 2-day itinerary for Lincoln Park has been helpful. I hope you can take some of my recommendations the next time you're in the area, and as always, I'd love to hear what you enjoy in the Chicago area, so comment your recommendations below. While you're here, check out my other Chicago travel videos and please subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.